Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. I wanted to talk to you real quick. I just got off a call with one of my coaching clients. This one was in Chicago, but I also had one in Singapore and I believe Spain today. So 3, something like that. And I realized what I was doing, okay? So I get paid to coach these people, and I show them how to actually, make money online, which is kind of cool, right? And here's something I figured out. It wasn't the big things that kept these people from succeeding, or anybody for that matter. It was the super, super little things that keeps most people from succeeding. Things that you can certainly overcome, but it's a matter of frustration. And when you come across them, sometimes you say, well, this is so irritating. I can't do this anymore. This is irritating. This bothers me. It could be anything from, you're trying to build a sales page and you forget to save it and it crashes and you're like, oh, I'm not going to do that again. It could be you're going to the gym and you want to work out on 2 or 3 different machines. And it just put a filter on here. I don't know why I put a filter. I might as well leave the filter, right? So it could be that you're going to the gym and somebody is on the machine you want to be on, and so you say, well, I'm not going to do that machine today. I'm not going to work on that. I'm not wearing sunglasses. I'm not wearing a hat. Somehow Facebook just put this on me. I didn't do this. I swear I didn't. But it's all those little tiny frustrations that get you in life to where you say, well, this is too aggravating. This is too irritating. I'm going to quit right here because this is just messing me up. I don't want to be bugged with this right now. How many times have you heard yourself saying that? I don't want to be bugged with this right now. I don't want to have to deal with this right now. I don't have time for this right now. I need to just chill. Those are the moments that you're sitting right on the edge of succeeding. Right on the edge. I know when I've done courses, I know when I've done trainings, all throughout, somehow life has brought me little problems and issues and things that mess me up. And if I would ignore those things and just move forward, then I would do well. But somehow your brain always puts those little obstacles in your way, or somehow life puts problems in your way. And the fact of the matter is that you're always going to have problems. So whether you try or you don't try, there's still going to be problems. You not trying is not going to erase problems. It isn't going to do it. You think that if you just don't try, that you won't have obstacles. Heck, you may have obstacles in watching the TV show you want to watch tonight. Maybe your TV's not getting good reception, or maybe it got preempted by another show or whatever. And that's totally useless, right? Watching the show is totally useless. It does you no good. It's basically you watching somebody else live their life. It's kind of crazy, but people do it every day. So the point I want to make to you is all those little things that are really irritating, if you ever catch yourself going, oh, heck with it, I'm not going to mess with this right now, I'm just not going to do it. That's the moment where you need to mess with it. That's the moment where you need to move forward, where you're having that ultimate frustration at that moment. That's when you need to keep at it. That's when you need to do it, okay? And I think, and I do a lot of coaching for a lot of people, and they pay me thousands and thousands of dollars to talk on the phone, basically. But those talks on the phone may have to do with getting their head screwed on right. It may have to do with how to set up a funnel or whatever to guide them along the way to success. And that's why they pay me for that. Very grateful for that. I have very limited spots for that, and I have a lot of requests for that. But it works. And it works because I make them move forward no matter what obstacles we hit. I was just on a call with a client of mine in Chicago, and we ran into a problem because we need to set up their pixels on their account, and we couldn't get to the pixels. It wouldn't load. It wouldn't load on his computer. It would have been easy to quit right there, but we had to have these pixels, right? These are things we use for ads if you don't know what a pixel is. So I said, well, let me try my computer. So I tried it on my computer, logged into his account, couldn't get into it. So, you could have quit at that point, right? But no, we decided what we were going to do is contact Facebook Help. Now, Facebook Help is not as helpful if you don't run ads. So when I went into his account, it had questions and answers, but there was no way to contact him, no possible way to contact him. So at that point, we could have said, thrown up our hands and said, well, let's quit. And I said, well, let's try something else. So I went in at another angle. I went into the events area instead of his pixel area. And we finally got into it, and we got the pixels and we got the conversion codes that we need to put on his page so he can be successful. It was a minor problem. Would have been easy to quit. How many minor problems are preventing you from doing your business, preventing you from exercising, preventing you from eating right, getting the right amount of sleep, getting up early, okay? And I don't care what anybody says, if you get up early, you do get more done. I've tried that, sleeping in later and working later at night, but fact is I work late at night anyhow, so I don't gain anything by sleeping in. But I want you to think about that. Is it the little tiny things that's really just messing you up? Probably is. Now, I have no idea how this video is going to look with a silly hat and glasses. I did not put this on. Somehow Facebook just put this on. And I know there's filters you can use. I did not hit one of the filters, but who knows why I did that. Maybe you'll listen more if I'm wearing these cool sunglasses and this hat, which I'm not really wearing this hat. See, it's not, don't have it on. Not happening. Hey, have you ever wanted to send emails? Do you want to do some emails and get, say, millions of dollars coming in? I just so happen to be teaching a course on that this Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're interested, it's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Don't have to pay me thousands of dollars. Don't have to do anything but show up and watch. It's a little bit of an obstacle, so will you do it? I don't know. There's a link in the description, and if you click on it, if there's spots left, you can get in there and you can actually see how this is done. We're going to reveal some of our funnels, some of our emails, and all that good stuff, and you can see how it's done. So until then, guys, I'll talk to you later. I got to get out of here. Bye.